Hey everyone guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to actually remove a payment card, from your Doordash account. So whether you just updated your payment methods or you're no longer using a specific card, this guide will actually walk you through it, guys. So let's get started, okay? So first things, guys, what you want to do is you want to open up the Doordash app on your phone and you want to just log into your account, okay? Once you're in, just tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner to access your profile, okay? And next, what you want to do is you want to select the payment option from the menu. And here you're going to see a list of all of the payment methods linked to your account. You just want to find the card you want to actually remove and just tap on it. And if the app allows it, guys, you want to look for the option that says remove card. Just tap on it and just confirm your selection. And now, guys, here's actually an important note is that DoorDash actually requires at least one active payment method on your account. So if the card you're actually trying to remove is the only card listed, the only one listed, you'll need to add a new payment method before you can actually remove it, guys. And that's it, guys. Your card has been now removed from your DoorDash account. And if you found this tutorial helpful, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Of course, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel to be notified for the next videos. See you guys in the next one.